Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Web. Here's how to download and install Microsoft Office 365 on your laptop quickly and easily. First, open a browser and go to the official Microsoft 365 website at office.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, click Create Account and follow the steps. Once logged in, click on Install Apps in the top right corner. Select Microsoft 365 app to download the installer file. After download completes, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation. Ensure you have a stable internet connection as it may take few minutes to install all official apps like Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Once the installation is done, launch any Office app and sign in again with your Microsoft account to activate the subscription. Thank you for watching How to Web. Like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.